Take your live viewing to the next level by mastering YouTube TV's revolutionary Multiview feature. Ever wished you could catch all the action from multiple games or keep up with several breaking news stories at once? Well, now you can with YouTube TV's Multiview. This incredible feature allows you to curate a personalized viewing experience, displaying up to 4 live channels simultaneously on supported devices. It's perfect for sports fans, news junkies, or anyone who wants to stay informed and entertained across multiple broadcasts. Let's get started first. Access the Explore tab within your YouTube TV app and look for the Multiview option. You'll often find it prominently featured, especially during major sporting events or when there's significant breaking news. YouTube TV typically offers curated multiview layouts based on popular events or genres. For example, during football season, you might see options like Red Zone, or for the NBA games, simply browse through the available layouts. Once you've found a layout that interests you, select it. You'll then see a preview of the channels that will be displayed in the Multiview arrangement. And just like that, you're in Multiview. You can now see multiple live streams at once. One of these streams will be highlighted, indicating it's the primary audio source. To change which channel's audio you're hearing, simply use your remote to navigate to the desired stream. The highlighted border will move, and the audio will instantly switch. This allows you to follow the commentary or action that matters most to you at any given moment. Want to build your own custom Multiview on some devices? You can also create a personalized Multiview. Navigate to a specific event you want to watch and look for an option to add it to a Multiview. You can then select other live channels to populate the remaining slots. Multiview is a game changer for a truly immersive and efficient viewing experience, so go ahead, explore the possibilities, and never miss a moment of what you want to watch.